welcome to another video. So we've been working along with this BitTorrent thing in Codecrafters. So Codecrafters has this online course, and I'm this way through doing the BitTorrent. I assume client. Well, I guess it's all clients really. So what we got up to last time was doing pretty much just doing all the SHA hashing of the various parts, and we made a library for this. Well, I kind of made a library, and if we look in here, this is what it is. And if we say maybe I want to do this and maybe do this and that and something like that, just so it doesn't go over. And I guess this can go like that, and that can be my shell. So where was I at? Yeah, so there is this app.SHA-1, and it is 160 lines of code, and it is a single file, single header library, I believe is what the cool kids call it. So what I thought I'd do is actually kind of break this out into its own like Git repo, or maybe even just probably a Git repo just to show it there, but it'll lose the history. Well, like the history of this file is like not really that interesting. Like, it's kind of interesting in the scheme of seeing how I was thinking going about it, but as a final product it doesn't really make much sense, because it was just broken, and this is the first good commit really. So I think that is kind of what I will do. I haven't loaded them again. I reloaded some shortcuts. Bit chilly here today at the moment. Hence this, but I'm wondering whether I actually almost don't need it. I like to keep, I've got a scar on the back of my head, and I like to keep it cool, otherwise I don't really like the outcome. Nah, it's not that bad, it just like feels funny, don't like the feeling. Anyhow, so what I was going to do was maybe let's do like a new thing. We'll publish this. I haven't actually done all of that, so I guess I'll make a new folder called SHA-1.h, and I'll just, in here we can kind of yoink. Can we do, no, we can't do that. Source personal codecrafters C app.SHA to here, and maybe make this full screen. So what I was thinking was I have this CD path, so I can just go, what was it, CO, then maybe COD, then tab, and it does that. But that doesn't work for like other core utils. I mean, it's called CD paths, so it's kind of like just for CD, I guess. So right, we've got this. We probably want a readme, readme.md, and what should this have in it? It's a readme file, so I mean it'll probably have maybe I can steal something from GoTube. this is how I do it. SHA-1.h SHA-1 implementation, and what is it called? STB single header file library, STB style, STB style header only library, and it doesn't have that, doesn't have that. Yeah, I've got a Patreon, and I've also got a YouTube, and I guess this list is probably not the right list, so maybe we might need to just go to my playlist and look at my listas. It is in Espanol. Okay, hablo Espanol. How do we get this? Do I just have to play it and do that? And so it has a watch, and so I think I just have to copy this whole thing. So that's inside of 4. No, we might need to go here. Then inside of this, we want that. And does that look about right? Yeah, that looks about right. So this repo, and we don't really need that. That's the rest of these videos. So soon I'll be doing an HTTP client. But for now, let's do this. So this repo contains a and I guess we could probably do something like STB style and learn where my keys are. I want that one, then I want that bracket, then I do actually want to go back to this one and do that just to I don't know, give attribution where attribution is due. Header only library. You only need the SHA-1. No, the SHA-1.h file. Cool. To use the library in your main application C source file, include I don't know, you just need to do that's the one I want. You just need to do something like define, maybe I will actually even open up this, and that's alright, and open up this and go back to where I was, and then we can include this, and we can just do SHA-1 implementation, and then include SHA-1.h and int define SHA-1 implementation exactly once in your main.c be a good place. Docs are good because docs help your users do things. And do I do something like that? An example file is shown below. You can hash include the file as many times as you like. Do that. Do this, and we'll just do something like this, and return 0. We could kind of even make this something like a just give me the input. Well, no, I kind of just want to show off the library. So the actual library, let's open it up here. Not too many times. So if we open up SHA-1.h, it just has this one function. The library, well, nah, there may be more functions in the future, so that's just what it is. So what do I want to do with this? So I kind of want to make well, actually, I can just do like give me a hash of what's on the command line, just as a come on, where am I? Int C and char. Nah, I kind of want a standalone something that will just kind of just run. So we can make this const char test, and this can equal to hello SHA-1. And maybe we can put in the new line just in case. Doesn't really matter. And here we can probably just call SHA, maybe even if SHA-1 digest. So, and we will also have a so I kind of include this, so I feel it is fine. I will actually take this off. I'm feeling a little warm. So this will have that much in it, and so if we digest a test, and we probably need strlen of test as well. Is that what we can do? Yeah, I feel like that is because like the string should give us the null byte, and then we can pass in result. And what I want to do is actually go back up here and maybe edit app.main and SHA-1 digest. How do we do it? We don't pass by hash, so that is all I need to know there. So if that's all that, then we were successful. Otherwise, we were not successful. And I potentially want to just do fprintf std air, and this is unreachable, or like unexpected error, and I'll just print it like that, and maybe we will return 1 to signify a thing, otherwise we'll return 0. And maybe another thing I want to just get is if we come down here again and get all of this and change info hash and change this to result and change it everywhere. It's just really one place. Oh well. So if we have something like this, and what does this sort of thing give us? In fact, we could probably even give this as example.c, and yeah. Well, in fact, maybe we can just go like this, example.c. Boom. And we can probably try run this. So what happens if we compile that? It doesn't like a lot of things. Right, because we don't do things. So yeah, so we've got to be nice. We probably need to do std bool because we say we do. Right, we also need to, I don't know, hash include stdio dot h, just to do that, and maybe even, can I do that? Nah, wasn't sure I could. But if we do that, with a bang, taking a bit longer than I thought just to like make an example library. But this is sort of going to be like a long-lasting thing. It's like SHA-1's not going to change. So I kind of want to make a kind of example file that demonstrates how to use it. Otherwise, what is the point of having it? So if we do this, it just like has so many warnings. I think I want to go into example.c and maybe even just set make prg equal to gcc cc, and then we can go make, and we can make this file, and now it should do this. So we also wanted to do std def, and if we do that again, right, so now it doesn't complain. Cool. So in that case, if we go back a few times, this is all we need, and so if we run this code, we would go cc example.c a.out, and expected output will be what what I'll show in a second. Test by running this, and here we go, like something like that. And what is the expected output? So the expected output is we could probably do something like no, I'll just do it twice. So shell, if we run our a.out example.c, I thought so does this have, so this has a printf in it, and I think this I don't need to have. It was in there from like debugging times, and I guess, do I have any fix me's? Now, do I have any fix? Do I have any to-dos? No. So if we go back, if we do that again, so I swear it like it compiled when I was not there. Do that. Yeah, when I did this, we did that. And it still had stuff. It didn't tell me. So we could probably have something like that. Something like that. Actually get rid of all the things. So this we probably needed get in string.h just for this example. Right, so now it's running it, and now we can do something like a.out, and it gets something like this, which that's what my library has at the moment. So I will we'll just go here. In fact, we'll go here and do something like that. And here we need to change a few things, like we also needed to include string.h. And so I want to test whether we need to do char there and star there, char there, star there. So if we did a bang and we did echo hello SHA-1, and we won't do the -n, it's automatically done with the thing, but it's just this is how some people may also test it, and we have the same number, and we can also test it with we can do the same thing to like open SSL, like there's something there, but I feel like this is good. I've got one test case, but it's good enough to kind of show that this kind of works. This was developed during a video series where I implement a BitTorrent from scratch, where SHA-1 is a necessary component. And I guess here we could probably what I want to do, find space and do that, and then here we not there. Here we can actually link to this RFC that we had open from somewhere. This one, RFC. Where do we go? There. Right. So we can also have that SHA-1 there. I guess we also probably want to have a license. So what we can do is we can probably copy Odin's license to here and just have a look at it, and maybe even copy that and take it into SHA-1.h, and then above this paste that, and then here do like this, and something like that, and the example.c, like in fact, like, we potentially don't even need it, but I'll keep it in there just because it's handy for those that can't be bothered like copying and pasting this. Above to a file, example.c, then running this. What else could I see? Yeah, this is potentially all I need. So what do we have? And so we should probably have a GCH. What even is this GCH? That was from when I tried to just GCC that. So we can probably do a.out there, and I could probably put that in a get ignore, and the tags should get ignored automatically. So I think this is probably all that needs going. And what did I put in another thing? We had just a readme and a license. So I guess if we add all of this and we commit this up, initial commit for a SHA-1 STB style header only library. Slightly over there, but that's probably alright. So what I want to do now is maybe go to my GitHub and work out how I can add a thing. So we add a thing here, and what do we call this? I think I'll just call this SHA-1.h, and like it's available. I'm happy with that. And what did we say in our README? So this is a SHA-1 SDB style header only library. It can be public, don't add anything. So if we create this, it'll tell me what to do. So now if we get remote add this, we're not allowed. We need a origin. Get push set upstream origin, and I guess do main. And so if we do that, it'll ask if I wanted to use my personal key, and it should pop up here. And does Google reckon we should do anything? We could create a release with just the SHA-1.h, but like I feel like you don't need anything. In fact, I could even replace this and like give me the raw. Give me the raw file. I can handle it. Oh, I hate how it just doesn't like, is this what I want? Yeah, except like give me the link to it. I can handle it. Does it say what happens in the network if I go and download? It does. So it does say raw refs. So this is probably the link that we want to get. We just want the URL, and we can get out of here. And so what I'm thinking is change. Where am I? I jumped. So if we YS find that to that, and then maybe add that. It's just a little handy thing. So let's just do that. And I doubt anyone will have pushed anything, but if we do this now, we can go back to here, and it will what's happened here? We need a force, just force, mate. I'm happy with that. Boom. And so now there will be a link here which will just go straight to this document here, which has the thing that we need. And that's that. So I guess I will put this in the old links, because yeah, that is an output of one of these videos. And potentially at the end we will get some more. So that's that, and I'm actually thinking that's that. I'm going to leave that as one video, and I'm going to come back and do the next part for the next video, because that felt like quite a distraction from the Bittorrent project, and I want to come and give you a more precise video on doing an HTTP client, because that's going to be the fun part. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this, and go forth and don't use SHA-1, please. Please just don't use SHA-1 unless you need to for like things like BitTorrent, and I think Git itself uses SHA-1 in places. I can't recall though, it's been a few years. I'll probably do it again in Codecrafters, but see how it goes. But yeah, anyway, have a great day, and I'll see you next time.